everyone! Welcome back to Auto Nihon, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest vehicles on the market. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2006 Toyota Sequoia Hybrid, a full-size SUV that's been completely reimagined for families, adventurers, and anyone who loves power, comfort, and tech in one package. The big news here? Every single 2026 Toyota Sequoia comes standard with Toyota's iForce Max hybrid system. This isn't just any hybrid, it's a beast under the hood. You get a twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 437 horsepower and a whopping 583 Nm of torque. That's enough muscle to tow up to 9,520 pounds, depending on the configuration. And let's not forget about smoothness. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this setup delivers seamless acceleration, whether you're cruising down the highway or climbing steep inclines. If you need an SUV that can handle heavy-duty tasks, the Sequoia has your back. With a max towing capacity of 9,120 pounds, it's ready for everything from weekend camping trips to serious work projects. But what really sets it apart is how practical it is for everyday life. One of my favorite features? All Tucson plus Sequoias now come standard with power-folding third-row seats. Whether you've got kids, pets, or tons of cargo, accessing extra space is easier than ever. Toyota didn't skimp on the inside either. Depending on the trim level, you'll find upgrades like leather-trimmed seats starting on the limited model, while the top-tier capstone trim gets a stunning shale premium textured leather finish. If you opt for higher trims like the Platinum, 1784 Edition, or Capstone, you'll also enjoy massaging front seats, because who doesn't want a little spa treatment during long drives? Tech lovers will appreciate the Sequoia's updated multimedia system. Base models come with an 8-inch touchscreen, but you can upgrade to a massive 14-inch display. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so staying connected is a breeze. Safety? Covered. Every Sequoia comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, and more. No matter which trim you choose, peace of mind is part of the deal. For such a powerful SUV, fuel economy is surprisingly good. Two-wheel drive models achieve an EPA estimated 21 mpg city and 24 mpg highway, while four-wheel drive versions drop slightly to 19 mpg city and 22 mpg highway. Not bad for a vehicle this capable. So there you have it, the 2026 Toyota Sequoia Hybrid. From its potent hybrid powertrain to its luxurious interior and advanced tech, this full-size SUV checks all the boxes. Whether you're looking for family-friendly practicality, off-road prowess, or premium comfort, the Sequoia delivers in spades. What do you think? Is the 2026 Sequoia Hybrid worth the price tag? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.